Hey there, zookeepers. Here's how to unlock more shelters and climbing structures in Planet Zoo. If you're wondering whether you can unlock more pre-built hard shelters and climbing structures in Planet Zoo, the answer is yes. You simply need to research them. To do this, click on the Zoo button in the lower left corner of your screen to open the Zoo overview. Then click on the flask and wrench icon to open Mechanic Research. Here, you'll find the Shelters and Climbing Research option. Click on it and you'll see the number of blueprints available to unlock for each research tier. To begin the research, return to the Research menu and drag one of your available mechanics from the left side onto the Shelters and Climbing Research category. The research will take some time, so you can either continue working on your zoo while you wait, or speed up the game to finish the research faster. Once the research is complete, you'll receive an alert on the left side of your screen, and the blueprints associated with that research tier will become available to build. Just return to your Habitat build menu and you'll find the newly unlocked shelters and climbing structures. Newly researched blueprints will be marked with a pink dot in the upper right corner of their thumbnails, making them easy to spot. If you want even more options, simply continue researching the higher tiers of shelters and climbing to unlock additional variants for your habitats. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by and see you in the next side quest.